So you might be having a problem on your iPhone, which has a home button, which for some reason is telling you Touch ID has been disabled on your iPhone or even your iPad. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The number one reason and the number one thing you're going to have to take a look out for is to see whether your home button on your iPhone was recently damaged or if you've recently replaced it. That can probably be one of the bigger problems that you can run into on your iPhone. So, what you're going to want to do here is on your iPhone on the very front, all you're going to want to do is make sure that this iPhone button right here, your home button, is fully intact and that it doesn't have any issues inside of it. What I mean by that is basically with your iPhone, you want to make sure you didn't damage it, you didn't replace it, and there's not a third-party repair that was happened here. You can also sometimes make your way over to your iPhone settings right here. You can scroll over into your general settings and click on About, and sometimes it can probably tell you if there was an issue, if there's like a if there's a generic part inside of your iPhone. If there is a generic part, that means your iPhone will no longer be able to use the Touch ID sensor until you probably get it fully replaced by Apple. So that is basically the first thing that can probably end up causing this issue. Now, if you recently just bought this iPhone, or let's say you've had it for a long time, and for some reason you're just randomly getting this thing and you've done nothing to your iPhone, it may mean that there's a random weird glitch going on with your iPhone. So what you're going to want to do here is make your way back into your general settings of your iPhone, and then you want to click on that general option. So click on general, and then you want to click on software update, and from here you want to see if there's a software update available for your particular device. If there is a software update available, what you're going to want to do here is basically update your device. So find the update panel, click on download and install, and what you're going to want to do there from that point is to go ahead and update your iPhone, and that can probably fix the problem. If for some reason updating is not fixing it or there's no update available, try restarting your iPhone. Hold down the side button of your device and go ahead and just power this iPhone down, power back up, and that might end up fixing the problem too. So those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.